Hey guys, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to change your oil in an FZ07 Mt07. First step, warm your bike up to about 140 degrees. This is going to help the oil drain out of the bike easier. Then you're going to use a 17mm socket to loosen the drain bolt. Next step, you let the oil drain. Take your oil filter off. If you have an oil filter wrench, this could be useful. Now clean off the drain bolt and screw it back in. Now you're going to take your new oil filter and take some oil and rub it around the gasket. Make sure it's nice and lubricated, just so it stays on better. Then make sure the oil filter and the drain bolt are tight and wipe everything down. Then unscrew the oil cap. Now the FZ07 is supposed to hold around 2.7 chords, so you're just going to start adding chord by chord. I'm using Mobil 1. Around halfway through the third chord, the oil level is just above where it needs to be, but we're going to let the bike run, and it's going to run through the oil filter, and it should be lower after that, and we can add more. After letting it run for about a minute, as you can see, we need to add some more oil. After adding more oil, the oil level seems to be good. Now, I would recommend going for a 5-minute ride, and then when you get back, let the bike sit for a little bit and check it again just to make sure it's all good. Other than that, that's it. Thanks for watching.